Hey guys, Brandon Hirsch here, and today I'll be showing you a slideshow of sunsets, sunrises, snowstorms, rainstorms, that kind of stuff. So let's begin. First up, we have a sunset taken on July 27th, 2015 at 8:33 p.m. I didn't find any pictures from 2016, but here we have a snowstorm from March 13th, 2017, the first snow of the season of 2017. Next up, we have a sunset from August 30th, 2017. As you can see, the sun's just starting to set. Then next up, we have a sunset from September 1st, 2017. You can barely see the moon. Next up, we have a beautiful sunset from October 6, 2017. This was actually my phone screensaver in 2018. And next up, we have a sunset from June 20th, 2018, my mom's birthday. And then next up, we have a sunset from June 24th, 2018, my brother's birthday. This was taken in the Walmart parking lot. Then next up, we have a rainbow from August 20th, 2018. This was taken after a rainstorm. Then next up, we have a sunset taken in a graveyard. Really cool picture there. And then next up, we have a picture of a thunderstorm from August 29th, 2020. And our first sunrise, I believe, taken on January 18th, 2021. And then another sunset taken at February 24th, 2021. And then here we have kind of a dusk to dawn picture from July 2nd, 2021. Next up, we have another sunset from May 2nd, 2022. Then next up, I believe that's just a random picture from May 21st, 2022. Then next up, we have a rainstorm from October 29th, 2022. Then next up, we have a winter sunset from January 17th, 2023. And then next up, another snowstorm, this time from January 26, 2023. A rainstorm from March 21st, 2023. A severe thunderstorm from May 15th, 2023. A beautiful sunset taken on the 4th of July, 2023. Then I believe this was just a picture I felt like taking on October 26, 2023. Then the first snow of 2024 on January 17th, 2024. Then a sunset taken on March 30th, 2024, the day after my mom's funeral. And then here we have a beautiful pink sunset from May 9th, 2024. Then here we have another sunset taken on May 12th, Mother's Day, 2024. Then here we have a picture of the moon taken on June 20th, 2024, my mom's birthday. Then here we have kind of a sunrise from August 27th, 2024. Then here we have a beautiful sunrise taken on September 3rd, 2024. It's kind of blood red in the middle there. And then here we have a beautiful fall picture from October 30th, 2024. Then here we have a beautiful picture of a tree taken on October 30th, 2024, just a couple minutes apart from the last picture. Then here we have a beautiful sunset taken on election night 2024, November 5th. And then here we have another sunset picture taken on November 21st, 2024. Then here we have a snowy sunset taken on February 20th, 2025. And then another sunset taken on the same day. And then here we have the most recent sunrise taken today, September 16th, 2025, at the time of filming this video. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so for now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Brandon Hirsch signing off. Peace and bye-bye.